Before humanity, before mammals, even before dinosaurs walked the earth, there was the endocannabinoid system. From sharks to lizards, from invertebrates to humans, this ancient molecular network has guided life for over 600 million years. As life begins, it is the endocannabinoid system that helps us form. It nurtures the embryo, prepares the womb, and triggers birth. Through breast milk, we receive our first dose of natural cannabinoids, compounds our body already makes, echoing those found in the cannabis plant. It shapes our immune system, sculpts our brain, and tunes our appetite. It helps us run, play, learn, and even laugh. As we grow, this system evolves. It helps us navigate puberty, fuels our sexual development, and even crafts the sperm and eggs that carry our future generations. The ECS helps us feel the runner's high, fuels creativity, and supports love, memory, and resilience. It whispers beneath every heartbeat, every breath, and every thought. When this delicate system falters, so can we. That's where cannabinoid medicine steps in. Not to replace, but to restore balance. As we age, the system changes. Its signals may fade, which is linked to numerous chronic illnesses, inflammatory disorders, and neurological conditions. It was through studying cannabis that we uncovered the endocannabinoid system itself. The plant revealed the existence of our body's own cannabinoids and opened up the door to understanding one of biology's greatest harmonies. The endocannabinoid system is not just biology, it's life's tuning fork. From the womb to the grave, from diet, sleep, stress, sunlight, movement, and love, the endocannabinoid system shapes it all. And now through science, we understand it. At Global Cannabinoid Solutions, we don't just study cannabis, we engineer progress, turning scientific insight into the fuel for innovation across medicine, policy, and industry. Discover more and begin your journey into cannabinoid medicine at cannabissciencetraining.com. Discover more and begin your journey into cannabinoid medicine at cannabissciencetraining.com.